My name is Amit and I'm the creative director here at Experience House. I look after our content and curriculum as well as our corporate relationships as well. We're just excited to bring alumni together to work on a one-day design challenge. Typically, these design challenges are social impact driven. We love getting students to work on briefs that they normally don't get access to. And throughout the day, they go through research and stakeholder conversations, ideation, experience mapping, wireframing, and prototyping, culminating in putting together a pitch at the end of the day back to that stakeholder. In many cases, these concepts are then moved forward in the process as well. So these are real life projects. Today we have 25 of our alumni who have been working on this challenge since 10 o'clock, and at 6:30 this evening they'll be presenting back their concepts back to our key stakeholder from ActionAid, and hopefully there's going to be one or two, or if not even more, of those ideas that will then be able to move forward in the process and potentially get built as well. The whole day is based around using the design process, so starting with user research and stakeholder conversations, looking at driving out personas and writing user stories through to creating wireframes and prototypes, as well as a pitch deck, all within 8.5 hours as well. So it's a pretty intense day. There's lots of food, lots of drink available to everyone. We've got music playing as well, and we're excited to see what comes out of it.